Boys, before I even start this video, I did a sticker giveaway in like 3 or 4 videos ago, and I never announced the winner because I went out of town on the Rideout. Well, today is time to give away some stickers. If you guys like these little sticker giveaways, I'm going to try to do them more often in the videos, so leave a thumbs up if you guys want to see more little giveaways. The comments loaded in no order at all. As you can tell, there's a comment from 2 days ago, and there's one from 2 weeks ago right below it. I'm going to go down. Oh man. Let me make sure I load up all the comments. See, I read all your comments. That's why you see all those thumbs up right there. So, boom, boom, boom. Might be all the way to the top. We'll go keep going. Still doing it. Eyes closed. Keggy, hit me with them free stickers. That's what I'm going to do right there. That's a super solid build. I wish I can find a good AF16. Hit me with free stickers. This dude comments on every video. I'm glad he won. So Keggy, hit me up. I'm gonna respond to this comment right now.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Boys, we're back. We're back from Seattle. It's actually been a few days. I took the last few days to pretty much just like edit footage and kind of get back into work, but we're getting straight back into it. Honestly, we're doing a lot of things to the Zuma today. Most importantly, we're splitting the cases here. We're putting the new crank bearings in, putting the new crank in, crank seals, all that, and possibly porting some of this case. Last time we went on the purple bikes a few weeks ago, we went riding, and on the way back, my gearbox was leaking really bad, and the case bolts were pretty loose on it. I don't know if maybe they were just rattled loose or they weren't tightened up, but I'm gonna go ahead and redo it all and put Loctite on it this time. But gonna go ahead and take it all back off and clean it all off because I don't want any oil between that seal. So, but that's how we're looking on that bike right now. And first things first, though, I want to pull out the Zuma. I was riding the ADV last, and I was trying to wheelie on the big bike, and I didn't get some good wheelies in. So I'm gonna pull out the Prebug here and hit some wheelies on it. But then I also want to pull off the seat and put this seat on it and feel what it feels like to wheelie on the single seat. This thing's gonna look so ugly. Oh, I forgot how easy this thing wheelies. Dude, you'd be sliding off this seat though. Bro, this seat's so slippery. Definitely telling my neighbors I'm back without hitting some wheelies out front. You know. It's different. Yeah. Straight work. Sadly, the stator pulley, flywheel pulley wasn't the right size, so had to order one from the Amazon piece. Showing up, we got that prime, so hopefully it'll be here quick. I got my gear cover pulled out so I can fix the seal on it, refill it with gear oil. What are you licking, bro? Why are you licking my bike? He's got his whole pulley torn apart. Pretty much all our, with his carb torn apart. What we got going on over here?
You got contra spring installation.
Swapping to the, oh, another 2K.
Yep.
Keeping it 2K.
Knee piece.
I stand on it. Damn, I should fire. Actually, I haven't started my bike in a minute. Let's see if this thing will start up. Key. It's cold. It's okay.
Well, because you put the new manifold on, so it's good. Probably gotta clear out.
Smoke it out.
It does sound weird.
You gotta clear out. Yeah,
damn, son. This thing's now a mini stroker too. Has a mini stroker crank in it.
That sound a little funny though. It's not picking up like she usually does. She usually picks up harder.
Got that lead all together. Got gear oil on the lead and new center spring in it too. I also got a new ramp plate on the way, so it should be here like tomorrow, so I'll probably put that in too. Try out the Elite. We all just worked on our bikes. Way better. O'clock right now, and I'm still waiting on a package to get here today from Scooter's Pop Shop with all my stuff that I picked out in that one video when I first got there. In that package I also got a new ramp plate for this bike, and I need that ramp plate right now. Parts to unbox now. We got parts to unbox. So we got Veloci variator kit, throttle cable. Damn, son. I wonder how old this is. This thing's looking good right now. Polini air filter, push it up. Gauges for Zuma. We also got NCY drop down legs. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put these on yet, but maybe the stroker. Kind of want to see what it looks like with the slant front. Even though I just put all this on. Take that back off, baby. We're gonna try it with the same roller still. I'm just gonna swap them out. Stock. I actually thought it was steeper. Veloci's flatter. Shout out Jeff Bezos with the fast delivery. We got the correct flywheel puller right here. So go ahead and pull this flywheel off, and that means we'll be able to split the case on this thing today. So boom. Now that I look at it, it looks like this one does have a bad crank seal right here. Can't really see it. It's pretty rotted around the edges right there. It looks like some oil was getting out. So that could be a lot of the reason why this bike was having such a hard time running. Just took all the bolts out of the cases. Now I can split the cases and get this crank pulled out and mock up the new crank, put crank bearings, crank seals, all that fun stuff. Corsa review.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do you have your studs? Can you get your studs?
Yeah.
So this part right here can be pushed back because like where it ends, you know what I mean? There's,
yeah, this part right here.
It's flowing like, you know what I mean? So it's gonna like go like that instead of just go right into it.
Right there, right?
Yeah, we can blend this wall up here into that port. This one looks pretty good. So I'll make that even. I'll even that out. Let's go.
Hit up Chuck for your porting. Chuck's about to go crazy and port this Corsa right here for the Prebug build. And then we're also about to do some case matching and port this up a little bit. While Chuck's over here messing with some porting on this, on the cases and the cylinder, I'm gonna go ahead and change the jets in this purple bike right here. Mostly changed the main, but I'm gonna see what I'm running for the pilot because I forgot. And then, yeah, the bike's running alright, but it's running a little lean, so we just need to fatten it out a little bit. She should be good. Right now I'm running a 120 main with a 48 pilot in it right now, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to run like a 135, maybe 136, and maybe like a 50 pilot. And see how she likes that. Yeah, 136 main. We're gonna try this bad boy out now. See if it likes it a little bit better. Definitely want to run a little bit more rich. We got that Dremel 4000 over here putting in the work on the Zuma case. Some light porting real quick on the case just to pretty much match the cylinder.
Trying to blend the edges, make them round. That used to be a box.
Yeah, right here on these corners right here, it used to be solid, so he's pretty much just going in and rolling these corners. I should have got a shot of it before, but picture like how this little thing is. Oh, you do on your phone?
On my phone, but
I'm trying to make it smooth. We want that air going in there smooth. And went in there, it's hard to see, but basically just went in there and rounded everything off that was kind of a ledge or steep. Won't focus. Everything's just smoothed out on the corners. We got this case done, and then we just need to come in and finish this case. Same deal. This side's just got to be pushed back a little bit to widen it out. Same deal as that one was. Boys, we're getting straight into it today. I want to put these crank bearings in and get this crank in on this Zuma build. Go ahead and heat this up with the torch. I already got my bearings in the freezer for a few days, which helps the metal kind of shrink and the heat helps it expand. Therefore, bearings plop in a little bit easier. These ones are easy to tell when they're all the way in because there's this little ledge when it hits against it. You could tell by like right there. Heat this inner ring up, crank will drop right in, put some Honda Bond right here, slap that other case on here, heat that up, slap them together, bolt it together, and then it's time to throw the Corsa on. We're gonna go ahead and open up a few packages. So this one right here is a few parts from Screw Swap Shop. But first things first, right here, you see this bad boy, rolling wrench tape all over it. What do we got? We got the damn battery cover, the goddamn GP1. If you know, you know. I've been talking about this since I got this thing and how hard this thing has been to find. Well, after going to that ride in Seattle, I ran in to the homie rolling wrench and he mentioned he had some derbies for parts and homie sent this bad boy to help me out. Now I just need to paint it, but I still gotta paint those grab bars, so that's fine. I'm not worried about that. But look at that, boys. I can tighten these panels down now. Wow, we got the damn battery cover. You know how hard I was looking for that thing? You don't even know. You can't find that anywhere. I had literally people in Germany helping me try to track one down. Couldn't find one. Now, shout out Rolling Wrench. I'm sure you guys know who he is already, but if you don't, I'm going to put his channel in the description down below. Definitely check him out, especially if you're into ruckuses, because he sells a bunch of parts for those ruckuses. Minor piece, but big upgrades on that thing, dude. It looks funky missing that battery cover. I got the Polini grips in here. Yup. This is the big spring order. Petcock for a Honda random CDI box. Variator shims. Oh, hell yeah, some Chick-fil-A sauce. Hell yeah, more Chick-fil-A sauce. Hold on, son. Zuma Prebug Petcock, much needed on the blue bike. Polini grips, dude, so stoked on these. These are gonna look so good on the blue and white Zuma. I'm trying to go blue and white, the whole deal. Roller weights, but that's that spacer for your kicker case. More springs. Another 2,000, another 1,500, and another 2,000. S23 as well. S23, man, they got all their own pieces now. They're going up. Let's see what this, I don't know what's in this Jacob Hayuku, however you want to pronounce it, box. Oh yeah, I forgot I even ordered this. Oh yeah, I'm stoked on this. Hell yeah. Look at that. Sheesh. Upgraded shock piece, but it's pretty close on color wise. I think that's gonna look good back there. The chrome especially. Might have to put that on. The Zuma parts are stacking up in here. Variator dealio. We got the Polini carb, you know, the filter, the gauges, the new cooling fan, spark plug, clutch springs, clutch and clutch bell. You know, got the crank bearings right here. Got the throttle cable piece, grips, Yasuni R pipe back here, and then the big bore. Full engine build going down right here. Maybe we got the bore, we got the crank out here, we're ready to throw this crank in. So I'm gonna go ahead, heat up these bearings a tiny bit, not too much. Crank's halfway in. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Honda Bond right here, and then slap the other piece, and then slap the other half on. Yups. She's sealed up. Put a little bit extra on the outside just because I don't like any leaks. Yeah, she's all sealed up. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the studs in right now, and then we're gonna throw the cylinder on and get this motor somewhat put together. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna put the crank seals in. Hold on, I gotta pull this little bracket off, pop the crank seals in, then do all that fun stuff. All right, Zuma crank seals are super easy to do actually, and I remember this trick that helped me from an old screw swap shop video with using this piece from behind your ramp plate, like where the starter gear is, and you can literally put like the seal on that, slide it up to here, and it matches perfectly with this, and then just slide the seal over so you don't have to worry about it folding. But this one goes in all the way to that little thing, and then this one, obviously it has like a little lip on it, so it sticks out right there on the lip, and then it has like this little bracket to hold it in too, which is cool. So crank seals are in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the head studs in. Head studs are down, they're all tightened. Go ahead and put the piston in right now, and then we'll go ahead and start Honda bonding this down, slide the cylinder on, and probably seal everything up tonight just to get it all closed out so I don't have to worry about stuff getting in there. So yeah, let's get that far. Perfect. Corsa time, baby, Corsa time. Caster assembly lube, baby. Like that, baby. Oh, dude, that's a nice fit right there, boy. Can't even see it. Right there at the bottom. And then let's go up. Nice guy. Nice guy. Nice guy. Alright boys, time to put the head on. Alright boys. That's gonna do it for the Zuma Prebug build for today. I was gonna keep going and go ahead and throw on the flywheel and the stator and everything like that, but then I started sitting here and started using this a little bit more to polish up the case a little bit, and I realized I want to keep cleaning the case a little bit more. And I need to finish this video because I need to get this thing out. As you can tell, the video like this one and lately I've been trying to combine multiple days into one video because I think it's just way more entertaining in the garage rather than just seeing the one day where like we kind of like pull the motor and it's like a whole video on like pulling the motor and maybe a few other things. I'm trying to make it where it's like more stuff. We're going riding and stuff like that. So if you guys like the videos the way I've been doing it, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know because you guys are obviously the one watching it. I need some of your input. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notifications bell so you can always be there first when I post, because I think I'm going to start giving some stickers to the people who are first on the post. So I'll see you guys in the next one.